Sarthe Kramsa Village is a home to nearly 70 families and a century-old village at Rongplimplam under Borjan constituency. Yet, the people of Sarthe Kramsa Village and its adjoining villages are forced to pass through the pathetic and impossible road connecting from National Highway 36. The citizens of Sarthe Kramsa Village, big and small, young and old, men, women and children, everyone vowed to faith and voluntarily came forward to repair the pathetic and impossible road of their village. Sarthe Kramsa, village headman of Sarthe Kramsa Village, while speaking to us informed that the village was established in the year 1922 and counting to this year 2022, the village had completed a mark of 1 century, yet no good road was constructed till date. Hence, we appeal the concerned authority to provide road for a century-old village.
Actual, kita ni tum yun anta sorkara hinten, pa council hinten sita tha kera bawe. Lasi prabjin pen, nona sorkar mate CM sa tumphan ichuningri prabjin pen aso towa nigi piye phan.
While interacting with the villagers, they inform that there are several schemes and projects under MLA and MP scheme, special package from the state and central government, but the village is always neglected, consequently deprived from any sort of development from the government.
Nitumhan kupi posi asitin scheme bename nang patang pun pedet mah posi ni George Kangtung nasi yongsi arong tin Nini tu marong dah lo, arong tin jong si, tuar long le jur pi pon pen, tuar le pi et posunte alang tum ansu se rat pen ahir dume long lang.
The villagers do not wish to blame the present local representative of Borjan constituency. The allocation of fund for the construction might take time, but the former representative of Borjan constituency, Longki Timung, who had represented Borjan constituency for 15 years, had failed to provide road to their village.
So tuar long ke la anarat ki wang sta mila dake kisu kiun e latven ke beha bepar chuklem sodam ansata ladak mansi ditum dam bom sta kisu bangerar banget hipik lasinon sta mela so tuar phana bangke non do bom sarkar to mangke পরিবর্তন সরকার লাসলা ডাকটা নিতুম হাতা কারবি আংলো আকি পিতেল ডিফুপেন ডাক রং প্লিমপ্লাম কে তিবগেলো লাসলা সো তিবগেরা দিন কে আলাং নিতুম তানাং lang ponosonte misenji pusini tum mangke chuniripon.
To free the villagers from all the problems they are facing due to unavailability of good roads, the villagers appeal Dr. Tuliram Ronghang and the concerned authority of KAAC to kindly consider their grievances and provide good road in the days to come. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live.